I welcome you back to this math channel. Today we will to provide solution to these various examples in Zod. Remember that my last video is based on the introduction to Zod. So today we are going to be solving these problems together. But before I proceed with my class, please, if it is your first time of viewing this channel, please kindly subscribe, hit the subscribe button and watch this video to the end. Okay, so we are here. We are asked to add solution to this. Now, the first one says we should add root 2 plus root 3. Now, I gave basic rules with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in my last video on Zod. This is addition. You observe that this is root 2 and this is root 3. You want to add them together. According to the rules there, root A plus root B is not equals to root A plus B. So that means I can't say this is equals to root 5. It's not correct. Are we together? So the answer is still the same thing. Root 2 plus root 3, which is the same answer. Okay. Now the second question says root 2 plus root 2. Now this is quite different from this one. This one, they're having the same root. So when they have the same root, the rule here is if you have root A plus root A, we only take the coefficient of the root. So the coefficient of this root are 1 and 1. And 1 plus 1 will give 2. Then you take one of the factor this one out. You take one of this, which is root 2. That's our final answer. So you can see the difference between these two now. This is having separate root with addition. So you are not meant to say root 5 because they are not conforming to this. They are conforming to this rule here. But in case of where you have the same root, just take the coefficient 1 and 1. Then you add 1 plus 1 together will give you 2 root 2. Okay. Now the third one says we should add root 3 plus root 3. So the same result, 1 coefficient, because they are having the same root. Root what? Sorry. 1 and 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is 2 root 3. Is are we getting it? Okay. So the fourth one says root 2 plus root 8. Now, this is more or less like this, but with a little difference. Because this is root 2. The perfect square factor for root 2 is 1. But you have to look for the perfect square factor of 8, which is 4. Then 4 multiplied by 2 will give 8. So the perfect square factor there is simply what? 4. Okay, so we can simply say this is equals to root 2 plus the perfect square factor is 4, then times 2. So this is the perfect square factor of this one. So we have root 2 plus the square root of 4 is 2. So you can see that this result now is just like this now. But this is having a coefficient of 2. So the same thing we are going to apply the same thing here. So since they are having the same root, we proceed. Coefficient here is 1. So 1 plus 2 will give you 3, then root 2. We are done with that. So the last one. Okay. So we are given root 18 plus root 27. Now, this is also the same thing as this. So we need to find the perfect square of this, perfect square factor of this, and perfect square factor of this one. So the perfect square factor of 18 is 9. So 9 times 2 will give you this 18. Then plus the perfect square factor of 27. Perfect square factor is 27 is 9 times 3 will give 27. But the perfect square factor is 9. So just simply saying 27 divided by 9 will give you 3. So that is what you are going to multiply with that perfect square factor. Yeah. So we are going to have square root of 9 is simply what? 3 root 2 plus the square root of 9 here again is simply 3 root 3. So in this case now we are not going to proceed because this is root 2 and this is root 3. So it is not equals to this. So we stop here. We are not adding the coefficient here because they are not having the same root. Okay, so guys, this is what I have for you today. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a like and don't forget to share this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get notified about any video I release on this particular channel. And if you have any question to ask, please kindly drop it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next class because we are going to deal with our subtraction of Zod. So please kindly follow this channel. See you guys later. Bye for now.